Welcome to CoinBook. My name is Calvin Waite, and I'm a professional crypto trader. I really like getting feedback from you guys about the market, what you're trading, successes, failures, so I'm going to go ahead and start giving out a t-shirt every week now. What I'll do is I'll look at all comments from Thursday to Thursday, and then Friday select a random winner.
Well, I just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas this morning. It's pretty awesome that we've had quite a year. If you take a look at our Bitcoin chart, we have definitely been through some ups and downs, and we're ending the year on a high note. Pretty awesome. We all have a lot to be thankful for, and the fact that we even know about crypto this early in the game, and the chance that we have to trade a little bit. Some people have a little more to trade than others, but the fact that we're trading at all means that at least we have some kind of disposable income, or at least something that we have, that that we're not on the streets starving to death and having to use every penny. So we're quite blessed, and I think we all have a lot to be thankful for. So Merry Christmas, everybody. So looks like Bitcoin is in a nice consolidation pattern for the last 20, well, let's see, about 16 hours or so. We've been holding pretty tight in a good range. So I kind of feel like this is probably the resolution of this really, really tight range we've been trading in. Just keep in mind, I've been saying all along that we're pretty overextended here, so we're gonna have to see what actually plays out. But from the past few days, we still look bullish. Our lows are higher and higher every day. Look at our 50-day moving average. We're at 18,721. So we are way up there. If our 50 gets up to 20,000, that'll be pretty interesting, because if we pull back to the 19.7 or 20,000 line, it'll be really interesting to see how that reacts. Normally there should be a decent amount of support here, but we are pretty high. So this one's just kind of a watch and see what happens. The altcoin market is recovering quite a bit today, but as you can tell, even though we have a 5 or 6% gain here and there, it pales in comparison to the drop-off that we dealt with yesterday. I know a lot of people were getting pretty emotional, and I kind of tweeted out, guys, if you're trading and you're scared, you need to stop trading. Because nobody makes any good decisions if you're scared. Plus, all trading decisions should be done in advance. You should already know what the rules are. You should already know what to do when. If you're trying to make a decision in the heat of the moment, the time for really planning out that decision is past. So anyway, we are still in a downtrend. No matter what we've done today, we are down pretty hard. It will take a while before we figure out where the bottom is. So let's just kind of keep our heads and be patient and wait for things to change. Right now, the altcoin market, it dipped almost down to 7.5 million Bitcoin. So pretty significant move. Kind of odd why our microcaps, I saw them drop off pretty decent yesterday, and then this morning it just opened this low. So I kind of wonder if TradingView's got a problem with their calculation. But even so, every coin has its own chart pattern, and the majority of alts are in the red zone. So we're just kind of waiting on the sidelines here, waiting for a turnaround. So I'll see if anything significant changes. You guys will be the This is trading before CoinBook. Yes, nothing but absolute terror. But this is us now. So when it comes to trading, there's this mathematical formula that goes something like this. It's something sciencey, like for every action, there's an equal and sometimes opposite overreaction. And so I think we've been doing some overreacting, which is great. Um, there are a lot of coins that really hit rock bottom yesterday, but it's still not time to react. We absolutely have to be patient in these trades. But there were a couple of beauties that are pretty impressive. I just kind of wanted to highlight a couple. One is Litecoin. So Litecoin um, is some people, I've been talking about Litecoin lately because we've been uh, creating such an interesting pattern, and we've been trying to exit the red zone. We've had several attempts, but right now we've had this descending triangle that we confirmed right here, um, and we have support, and today has pulled us up, but we're still in range, so we still need to be patient. But I really like Litecoin right now. The chart is looking pretty decent. The other one that's doing well is Decred. So this coin is we are days away from a golden cross, and it's interesting how the coins with the right structure and that have kind of the right build on a day that everything is selling off, it just doesn't get hit as hard. And so these are the ones that we're watching, and these are the ones that we're in and that we're interested in trading. But there are plenty that are just not ready. So to just kind of give you an example, so here BAT, basic attention token, is up 10%, but look at this chart. Like there's nothing here yet, and we're just waiting for an exit of the red zone, or at least for higher support. Like if we had that huge sell-off yesterday, today this is looking like a bullish engulfing candle. But even then, we're not buying this yet. We need to have a couple of days to a week of upside. We need to have a couple of days to a week of downside, and we need to make sure that down ends up higher than our bottom. So we're just looking for chart structure. These things can be as emotional and as wild as they want to be, but we're not pulling the trigger yet. We want to be patient. Here's another example. We got stellar lumens. So it just cracks me up that Lumen has to do exactly what XRP does. They're two different coins, and they're trying to compete against each other, but they're like married to each other also. And so this is just kind of funny. Even though it's a monster day with a 22% gain, we're not interested in this. We're looking for structure. We're looking for a flat consolidation period, and we're waiting for confirmation. This type of thing is grabbing a tiger by the tail. If you think, oh, we're up 22%, this is the big turnaround, I'm going to hurry and buy. There's nothing here. There's no support. There's no turnaround. There's no confirmation. You're just gambling if you buy something that looks like this. And but there are just a lot of coins. They all look like this. Tron right now just entering the red zone recently. Almost all the alts are in red zone, and so we just wait. We just be patient. For those who have followed my trading, I will buy somewhere in here where there's a significant move up. because I'm interested in taking advantage of a solid turnaround in the charts. But when things go wrong, you just place an order to break even and you wait. So that's the advantage of having position size small enough. You can just roll with all the punches. You can keep a level head, and you can kind of work through whatever you need to deal with. So anyway, just wanted to let everybody know that we're probably not going to see any trade entries for probably a couple of weeks. So that means everyone can just relax, enjoy their holidays. Merry Christmas, everybody. We will catch you on the next one.
Okay, it is time to separate the CoinBook trolls from the CoinBook fans. So, these are the magnificent t-shirts that we are giving away every Friday. These are individually packaged with love from your best friends, China. There's also this incredible option designed by yours truly, and we'll be giving away probably one or two of these every Friday to just a random comment on any of the videos over the past week. But, and I don't blame you, if you absolutely cannot live without one of these shirts, I am willing to part with them for $15 worth of your favorite crypto. Just reach out to me on social media and we'll get you guys hooked up.